So, according to my research, I'm going to talk about the family tree. Trees are the oldest known living things. A tree is a permanent part of the landscape. And you can think of the old apple tree or the mango or breadfruit tree that we've known since we were children, and they're still there. Trees continue to grow as long as they live. A tree's leaves make food that keep the tree alive and helps it to grow. The roots anchor the tree and feeds it by absorbing nutrients and water from the soil. Seeds are the means by which some seeds produce, and trees provide shelter, shade, clothing. It balances the atmosphere, and some trees are just beautiful to look at. They also come in various sizes, shapes, and colors. You will see where I'm going with that. I do not know my grandparents, but I do remember an old Indian woman. She was small in stature, who used to sunkutu. Who remember that word? Sunkutu. Who know it? Who know the word sunkutu? Show them what sunkutu is. That is sunkutu. So she used to sunkutu and smoke her cigar, or the cigar turned with its fire inside the mouth. So she was my great-grandmother, my mother's mother. Her name was Nani Jane. Nani had Mary, Mado or Mamu, Babe, and Nanan. And there is either a son or a daughter that we do not know the name of. Mary married Maharaj Bajnath, called Kochi, and Kochi was from Calcutta, India, and they had 4 children: Alice, Chun, Auntie Chun, Jane or Kwati, Olive, Auntie Betty, and John. Kochi and Mary died while Betty and John were still young. Jane also died young, soon after she got married. Alice, or Chun, took on role of big sister and mother to John and Betty. These 3 maintained a close bond throughout their lives. For them, life was not always easy. While all this was going on with James and Bajnath's family, Victor Lastel Prabhu, half Cuban and half French, married Julia Sanders. They had Owen or Honeybee, Lastel, Cynthia, Gurley, Trevor, and Carlton. So now we establish Ruth. Spark, Flo, and Honeybee met Bates. They had 9 children between them. Because this is Fred's day and the Provost's day, I'm going to call the names: Jean, Dor, Fred, Anton, Earl, Howie, Patrick, Sharon, and Monica. Alice and Ferdy, that is Bates' sister, had 6 children between them. John and Florrie had 9. Jane and Teddy had 1. So now we establish branches, and tree is growing and flourishing, and it continues to flourish. So whether you're part of this family by birth, by marriage, by adoption, or if you're just a tag along, it is our responsibility to nurture and protect this most precious family tree by showing love, by showing concern and respect for each branch, each leaf, and each fruit of this awesome tree. From small beginning, we are all here, proud of our heritage. We give thanks to Jehovah, creator of family and the tree, and of our wonderful family tree. I'm going to ask you all to stand. I'm going to ask you to hold the hand of the person next to you. And if they're darker than you, or fatter than you, or not as pretty as you, it's remember the same tree. The tree comes in sizes, shapes, all of us. All of us belong to that small, small beginning. And just say, I love you, family. Thank you. Mission accomplished. Finally, some family trees have beautiful leaves, and some have just a bunch of nuts. Remember, it is the nuts that make the tree worth shaking. A copy of this souvenir transcript is available upon request on a first-come, first-served basis. Thank you.
Vamos a empezar, vamos a empezar.